Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to make a resume using ChatGPT. So this video is going to be really useful for you. You are going to benefit with this video in a very good way. So make sure that you stay tuned till the last in this video. So before diving into the video, there are a couple of things I want to mention. I want to highlight. In this video, you are not only going to learn how to create a resume, but you are also going to learn how to create a ATS optimized resume. Now, let me clarify. What is ATS? What exactly is ATS? So ATS, it is a software. It's the full form of ATS is Applicant Tracking System. This is the full form of ATS. This is a software which is used by HRs to track resumes and search for resumes, do profile screening. It has a use case of its own, but this is the software they use to find out the best resumes, to search for the best resumes, and this is what the use case of ATS is. So this is how ATS is useful for HRs. Now, what is an ATS optimized resume? So ATS optimized resume means your resume should be optimized for ATS, for applicant tracking system, which means your resume should contain all those keywords. Like for example, content writing can be a keyword, copywriting can be a keyword, and these are just two examples which I give. I mean, there can be many other keywords which can be used in a resume to make it ATS optimized. So this is how you have to optimize your resume for ATS, by mentioning all the keywords in it, so that when HR types in that particular keyword, for example, when she types in marketing or SEO, SEM, and these are the other examples which I gave of the keywords. So when they type in those particular keywords, your resume should get tracked, your resume should get searched by them, your resume should be accessible by them. So that is what the meaning is of applicant tracking system and of ATS optimized resume. Now, how we will do it with the help of ChatGPT. Now, you must be aware about ChatGPT. I mean, of course, we are in the AI revolution. I mean, that was in 2023, but now in 2024, the AI revolution, it has spiked up. It has gone to next level. I mean, there is even a new version of ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT Omni. Now, I don't want to get into the detail of that, but today I will teach you how to create an ATS optimized resume with the help of ChatGPT. So let us come on my screen and let me guide you how to create resume with the help of ChatGPT. So we are on the screen now of my cell phone, and I will show you how to create a resume using ChatGPT. So I'm not going to show it live to you. But what I will do is I will show you what are the prompts which I used to create the resume, so that you at least get an understanding of what are the prompts which should be used to create a resume. And so that is what the purpose is over here. So let me show you that, and let me guide you through it. Just give me one moment. So this is the prompt. This is the chat which I had with ChatGPT. Now let me explain you step by step. So this is the first prompt which I gave. Can you be a specialized resume writer for me with 25 years of professional experience? So this is what the response was of ChatGPT. Yes, I can be a specialized resume writer, and it responded me positively. And then the next prompt which I gave is, please write a format for me for a perfectly ATS optimized resume. So this is the prompt which I gave. And then what it did is like it created an entire format for me. You can see over here. So this is what the format is. The first is your name, your address, your city, state zip, your phone number, your email address, your LinkedIn profile, your personal website. So this is what the format it gave me. Professional summary, a concise summary of your qualifications, highlighting your key skills and experience. Aim for 3 to 5 sentences. Core competencies, list 6 to 10 key skills relevant to the job you are applying for. Ensure these skills match keywords found in the job description. Professional experience, job title, company name, location, dates of employment. Key responsibility number 1, key responsibility number 2, key responsibility number 3. So you have to, elaborate it more. Previous job title, I mean, if you hold more than one experience, then this comes into play, the previous job title. And so this similarly you have to list down your key responsibilities in the previous job as well. And then education, what was your degree, university name, location, graduation year, and relevant coursework. And then certifications, certification name, issuing organization, and year. And then technical skills, list any technical skills or software proficiencies relevant to the position. Additional information, I mean, what languages do you speak, any volunteer experience, something like that. And then there is references, I mean, this is not really that much important. Now it gave me some tips for ATS optimization over here. Use standard fonts, you avoid headers and footers, use keywords, bullet points, and simple formatting. So these were some of the keywords. These were some of the tips given by ChatGPT to me. And then it asked me a question over here. Would you like a more detailed example with specific content filled in? So what I did is, I wrote, I have followed the above format. Please optimize the below resume content by 300% for ATS. So I will read this again. I have followed the above format. Please optimize the below resume content by 300% for ATS. So this is what the content was written by me. I mean, I had already written the content. So this is the content, and I wrote in as much detail as possible. So the core competencies, the professional summary over here, and then there is professional experience. So this is the professional experience, and then the clients which I have worked with, it is over here. And then my education, the certifications which I have got, and then the technical skills. And at last I wrote down all the hobbies. So this is the response of ChatGPT. It told me, here's your optimized resume content enhanced for ATS by 300%. So what it did is, it generated the entire resume for me. It rewrote the resume for me with ATS optimized. I mean, it optimized it for ATS. So now this resume is fully optimized for ATS. And this is how it optimized it for ATS. And now what I can do is, I can copy paste it. So, and another thing, another important thing. So like here I asked it one more prompt, like, does ATS identify AI content? So, and then I asked, if yes, does it derank it? So this is what the response it gave me. As of my latest update, most ATS systems do not specifically identify or derank AI generated content. So it gave me all the details, and it gave me the relevant response. And then it also told me to stay ahead. Here are a few tips. So, and then I also asked it, is it fine to make the resume in 100% bold font? So it told me making your resume in 100% bold font is not advisable for several reasons, and then it gave me all the reasons for it: readability, ATS compatibility, professional experience. And then it told me what are the recommended formatting practices. And then it also gave me an example of formatting. This is the best thing it did. I mean, it understood my prompt and then it gave me a response like this. I mean, my name is in bold over here, the professional summary is in bold over here, the core competencies is in bold over here. So all the relevant things which should be in bold, so all those things are in bold over here. So this is what it did for me. And now let me show you the actual resume which was written, the actual resume which came out. Let me show you, just a moment. Boom, here it is. My resume is ready, and I followed the exact instructions from ChatGPT, and this is how my resume is looking now. And this resume is now ATS optimized. It is crisp, clear, concise, and it has all the relevant details which should be there in an ATS optimized resume. And it is of 2 pages, not really that long. I mean, according to the requirement of a resume. So that is pretty much it. And ChatGPT did a good job of preparing a resume for me. So that is how I created an ATS optimized resume using ChatGPT and giving it all those relevant prompts, those jaw-dropping prompts I gave it, and it worked accordingly, it responded accordingly. So ChatGPT is all about, giving correct prompts, giving appropriate those prompts. So it is all about it. And you just have to give those correct prompts with correct choice of words, and ChatGPT generates the accurate response for you. And that is how I was able to create an ATS optimized resume for me. And surprisingly, when I sent out that resume, I got two calls for with job offers, and it really helped me. And I'm going to update it as well. I mean, if required, update as in I'm going to upload it on the job portal which I use on Naukri.com, on LinkedIn. So that is what I'm going to do. And ChatGPT is more than just writing a blog, writing an article, doing all those tasks. So giving an easy prompt is very much easy, but giving a set of prompts in a systematic way so that you get an accurate result, so that is what the true skill it that is what the true skill is, and that is what the true talent is. So that is how you create an ATS optimized resume with ChatGPT. You can follow the similar format, the similar prompts which I used, and if you need those prompts, then do contact me on social media, and I will share those prompts with you, so that it also becomes easy for you to create an ATS optimized resume. And if you really like this video, if this video really connected with you, then do share this video with your friends, those who don't know how to create a resume, how to create an ATS optimized resume, and do share with them. Do like this video. Tell me in the comment section what else do you need to learn with the help of ChatGPT, and do subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to soon announce about my course on ChatGPT. I mean, that I'm going to publish it on social media next week, and it is not going to be the free version of Chat. It is not going to be ChatGPT 3.5. The coaching will be about ChatGPT 4, which is the beta version, which is the premium version. So if you are interested in this course, it will be really helpful. I mean, it will be really beneficial for you, and so that's it. And thank you for watching.